Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Oleksandra Tomashevska and I'm a professional tax advisor. Today we are going to talk about how to organize work with independent contractors in Ukraine. In our previous video, as you remember, we were talking about how to organize the employees in Ukrainian companies, so how to hire the staff to Ukrainian company. But today I'm going to describe the other way to work with independent contractors, which is very popular and we can't ignore these facts. So usually if you hire the employee, you as an employer, you pay a lot of taxes instead of this person. But if you invite to work a contractor, who is registered like independent private entrepreneur, the obligation to pay taxes is not on you as a company, but on him as a person who is receiving money and who provides the service. It is very, very popular in Ukraine to work with contractors, with private entrepreneurs instead of regular employees, because of the difference of the tax is like really huge. Usually this contractor, this private entrepreneur, pays 5% of income. It's like of total amount you pay. The person pays only 5%, and the social payment, we can say it's about $50 per month, which is a minimum social security payment from the minimum wage. So we can say that instead of paying, for example, 41% of the person's income, private entrepreneurs pay only 5 with something 5.1% of their income, which is like 5 times difference between only one tax, not even 2 taxes. So I can confirm, I have to admit that it is very, very common practice in Ukraine to make your employees as their private entrepreneurs and to use this type of communication, this type of business relationship with employers. And the important thing, of course, tax authority doesn't like it, because instead of paying 40%, you pay only 5%, and even not you, because this private entrepreneur can work with many companies, and of course it's kind of tax loophole. But the advantage of this way of business activities is so obvious that all the risks to be in arguing with tax authority is like nothing comparing to this. I can say that IT companies always use the way to pay their team, to pay their contractors as a private entrepreneurs, and other businesses, especially when it's service. We can say that yes, in business, if it's online business, it's always popular. Well, so what should you do to organize your work in your company with contractors? Before paying these people, these contractors, these private entrepreneurs, be sure that they have the code of business activity, according to your payment, according to service they provide. So that's only one responsibility, that you have to check this type of activities. And all other questions, for example, if they pay on time, if they send tax reports on time, and all their responsibility of the taxes is on this person, on this private entrepreneur. So as a company, you only need to make this paperwork, to make the invoice, to make the the confirmation that service is provided in this tax period, and that's it. Well, I'm sure that it's easy to organize and you understand everything very clear, and thank you for watching. That was Oleksandra Tomashevska. Goodbye.